Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of Stonehenge? Nestled in the rolling plains of Wiltshire, England, Stonehenge is a prehistoric marvel that has intrigued generations. This architectural enigma is marked by its outer ring of towering sarsen stones, topped by horizontal lintels, and a smaller inner ring of mysterious bluestones. This monumental ensemble has stood the test of time, silently narrating tales of an era long past. Now you might wonder, who were the architects of this ancient masterpiece? The creators of Stonehenge remain a matter of speculation. Theories abound, painting a vivid picture of ancient times. Some believe the local Neolithic people, skilled in the art of stoneworking, were the masterminds behind this awe-inspiring monument. Others propose it was the Beaker people, a culture known for their distinct pottery style and advanced metallurgy skills. And then there's the ever-romantic notion of the Druids, those mystical priests of the Celtic world, although this theory has largely fallen out of favor. As for the purpose of Stonehenge, that's another enigma altogether. Was it a temple for worship, a burial site for the highborn, or an astronomical observatory to track celestial events? Each theory offers its own fascinating insights into the lives of our ancestors. But the question that boggles the mind is, how did they build it? Building Stonehenge was no small feat. Imagine, if you will, moving massive stones, some weighing up to 25 tons, over great distances without the benefit of modern machinery. It's a task that seems nearly impossible, yet it was accomplished by our ancestors with rudimentary tools and sheer determination. The techniques they might have used to transport these behemoths are still a topic of debate. Some suggest the use of sledges, ropes, and simple levers. Others propose that the stones were moved along a series of wooden tracks, or even floated down rivers on rafts. Moreover, the sourcing of the stones is equally impressive. Many of them, known as bluestones, were transported from the Preseli Hills in Wales, a staggering 200 miles away. This colossal undertaking speaks volumes about the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the people who built this monument. So, how old is this awe-inspiring monument? Determining the age of Stonehenge is a scientific endeavor. Radiocarbon dating, a method that measures the decay of carbon isotopes, is the key tool scientists use to unlock this mystery. The consensus is that the primary phases of construction occurred between 3000 and 2000 BC, a span of time that witnessed the transition from the Neolithic to the Bronze Age. This period was a time of profound change, and Stonehenge is a testament to that. The alignment of the stones, however, hints at a celestial connection. Stonehenge hides astronomical secrets in its design. This prehistoric monument aligns masterfully with the solstices and equinoxes, creating a celestial spectacle at certain times of the year. The rising sun on the summer solstice perfectly aligns with the heel stone, while the winter solstice sunset aligns with the trilithon. These alignments suggest that Stonehenge's builders had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy, possibly using the monument as a calendar or for sacred ceremonies. From scientific facts to captivating myths, Stonehenge is shrouded in tales. Stonehenge has inspired countless legends and myths. One tale whispers of King Arthur's wizard Merlin conjuring the stones with magic. Another suggests Stonehenge is the handiwork of extraterrestrials, a cosmic calendar left by distant star travelers. These stories, while fantastical, underscore Stonehenge's enduring mystery and allure. Whether it's the work of wizards or aliens or simply the result of human ingenuity, one thing is certain. Fast forward to the present, Stonehenge still holds a significant place in our world. Today, Stonehenge stands as a symbol of mystery and ancient ingenuity. This captivating monument has evolved into a major tourist attraction, drawing curious minds from across the globe. Beyond tourism, Stonehenge is also a significant spiritual hub, with modern pagan and druid ceremonies often taking place amidst its ancient stones. From summer solstice celebrations to quiet moments of reflection, the site continues to be a living testament to our past. The mysteries of Stonehenge continue to unravel with fresh archaeological discoveries. Archaeological studies keep unveiling new aspects of Stonehenge. The most recent is the discovery of an immense ring of large pits nearby, fondly named the Durrington Shafts. These intriguing pits, forming a circle over 2 kilometers in diameter, are believed to have been dug over 4,500 years ago. This remarkable find is changing our understanding of the landscape and the people who once inhabited it, suggesting Stonehenge was part of a much larger sacred complex. Stonehenge is not alone, there are other similar monuments around the globe. Stonehenge is part of a global family of stone circles. Across the world we find similar megalithic wonders, like the Ring of Brodgar in Scotland, which rivals Stonehenge in size and antiquity. Then there's the Carnac stones in France, a vast collection of more than 3,000 standing stones arranged in perfect lines. While each site has its unique features, they all share a common thread, a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual pursuits of our ancestors. Preserving these ancient sites is our responsibility for future generations. Stonehenge's preservation is a challenge and a commitment. Balancing its role as a global tourist attraction with the need to maintain its ancient stones is a task fraught with complexity. Environmental factors from erosion to climate change pose significant threats. Yet, dedicated teams of archaeologists, conservators, and local authorities work tirelessly to protect this iconic monument. They apply innovative techniques, from digital mapping to controlled visitor access, to help ensure its survival. Stonehenge, a monument from our past, continues to captivate us with its enduring mystery and grandeur.